Today, Apple released watchOS 11.3 to the public, and the build number on this one, in case you're interested, is 22S555. There's not much new, but there is a new Unity watch face. So other than that, like I've had the betas, battery life for me has been fine throughout the betas. It's a little too new to tell on this one, but I'm guessing it's going to be just like the RC version, and battery has been fine with it. But let's go ahead and let's look at this new watch face together. I haven't seen it either yet. So let's go right in here, scroll to the end, hit the plus. We got new watch faces, obviously the flux we've had, the photos, the reflections, and here is Unity Rhythm. Let's go ahead and just add it and take a look. So let's take a look at it full on first, and then we'll go to everything that you can customize with it. It looks like it gives you a big number for the hour, and then of course you have the minute, the hour hand, and the second hand. Now, is the second hand always visible? We will find out. Let me go ahead. Yes. So the second hand on this new watch face is always visible, which is really great to see because it's something that we're finally hopefully going to get. So as of right now, this is the always on. You can see the second hand ticks. When it is fully on, you see it's more of a sweeping motion second hand. So let's go ahead and edit this and see what we have in here. So it looks like it's mainly different color options. You have complications, and that is it. So let's go through the colors. You got the Unity. You have black, which looks like a black and white. A cream one, which looks like it colors the actual back. Red, a green, and a gold. So those are the color options, and we can also look at the complications. You get two different complication slots. So I'm just going to go ahead and do carrot weather for one, and we will pop in, let's do the things app for the other one. And let's just go ahead and close that out and look at what this looks like. So you have one on the top, one on the bottom. This is something new for Apple. We haven't seen anything like this before. Usually there's some kind of rhyme or reason to where the complications are. And usually if there's only two, usually it's like the big long one on the top and the big long one on the bottom. But this time they have changed it up. They've done the circular complications for the top and the bottom, and it's only available in these two corners. It doesn't look like you can edit it at all as far as that goes. So let's go ahead and switch back, and let's go back to the regular Unity one. This also looks like it may be, let's see, not really seeing, maybe it shows up on camera better, but I'm not seeing if it reacts to the gyroscope like that Reflections watch face does. Maybe, yes, it looks like it does. So if you take a look at that, you can kind of see that red kind of goes around. So if you haven't downloaded watchOS 11.3, I think this watch face is actually worth it. Now let's just go ahead and just real quick, let's check another second hand watch face and just see if we get that second hand all the way through like this new one. It takes a minute for it to. So the second hand is not available on the Hermes. And let's go to another one. Second hand's not available on that one either. Like, they've shown us that they can do those second hands, but it's only on these new ones. So as you can see, this is the reflection watch face. So it shows the second hand ticking on that one as well. Very, very interesting that Apple is doing it this way. It's very different. And I guess we'll just have to wait and see what they do next, if they ever add it to all the other watch faces or not. But until then, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. God bless.